Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about the quick access toolbar and also custom ribbon. Both tools are very good for you to speed up your process. Sometimes you may wonder if your colleagues, they never expand this tab. They always use some little button over here or over the top to have something done. That's because they set up this quick access toolbar intentionally so they can speed up the process and make the workflow more smooth. Let's just reset this to the show below. Today we're going to go through how to set up your quick access toolbar and also custom ribbon. First, I have something in the text format and also have something in the number format. For the text, I want to make it bold. I can go into the home tab, go into this and click this one. And if I want to make this as a, say, different format of the number, I can go into the home and number, choose a format. So that's a traditional way. You always need this ribbon to enable something. You can also have that ready if you already include them into this quick access toolbar over here. So this section is called quick access toolbar. If I have this, I can just right click, add to quick access toolbar. So that's the way you add a new command into this quick access toolbar. I click, make it bold, click again, and do that. While you're doing a project, you may feel like you repeatedly use a lot of different commands. You can just go into there and right click and go into quick access toolbar. Your quick access toolbar will be expanded while you're doing your task or project, which is natural and pretty intuitive. Another way is really want something fixed in the tab. Say I have my tab ready for my own self to use. I already classify them into different buckets. For example, I have a remove duplicates under the data clean section. I have a common style and the data format section. So this is kind of reflecting my workflow. I can include them in the custom ribbon, which is a permanent place in this kind of software for you to use at your disposal. And for that part, we need to go into the home and you can go anywhere, just right click. You just need to have something customized. So we go into the customize ribbon. Now there's a little window come up. It's a separate window. Can see we're jumping to this ribbon. So you can access this area via Excel option and jumping back into this one. So here we have two windows. So first is what command is ready for you to use. And second is what has been included under different tabs. Remember the main tab that we have over the top. And for example, I want to do another customized tab. I just click this button, new tab. And then the new one, I can right click on the new tab custom. I can rename that. This is your tab. We click enter. Now the name has been changed. And then think about how we process the data. For example, I want to separate my workflow into three sections. First is the input. We have this here, and then we create another one. We just right click, rename process, and we add another new one saying rename output. We just rename that as output. So I have three sections in my workflow. So for the input, I want to set Power Query. So I just go into here, choose the all tabs, and you can find them. I think it's under the data section. So make sure you select the input first, and then here we can get sections. So we're just going to add. And another one is under the process. What I need to do is the process I want check how to clean the data, for example, duplication or sort of things. So I'm going to the data section. And here we have some sort and filter data tools. Let me check. Yeah, data tools, I want remove duplicates. I just add. Okay, for this one, I think we did it wrong. So we're just going back to remove that. So make sure you select the input and go into the get data here. Let's just say I want to get data. See how it goes. Okay, now it's ready. So you have to see this kind of proper indent. Make sure they're under the customized group. And then for the output section, I want to include something about visualizations. Let's just go into the insert. I know there's a pivot chart. Insert, just say chart. Here, insert column, insert pivot chart. Okay, that's the one I need. Just add. Okay. Now you can see they have proper indentation and each of the customized group. If I'm comfortable with this, I click OK. Now, if I go into your tab section, you have your workflow ready and also the commands ready. So you don't even need to jump into different ribbons to have that enabled. If you want to get data, just go into your tab and get data. And if you want to remove the duplication to smooth out the process of your data clean, just click the duplication. And then if you want to insert the chart, just go into here to insert chart. Let's just wrap it up. Today we learned two things. First, how to add things to the quick access toolbar and also remove that from the quick access toolbar. Second, we also learn how to permanently position some of your favorite commands over this custom tab so you can have them at your disposal when you're doing the data process. That's all. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.